So that there is both a JTAG port and the I serial UART. And what we have built here is I'll put the part number for these parts, but we built this adapter so that we can attach to the UART port, and then later on we'll try to see if we could get a JTAG to work. And then what I have here is I have a bus pirate that I will connect to my computer like so. There we are. And let's switch over to the monitor. 115,200. Capcom 3. Let's just save this bus pirate. Save. All right. So looks like we have to set up the mode. We want to go with UART, which is 3. I think this device is a, oh no, delete doesn't work. 30,400 I think. Okay, and I think that's defaults. Let's go with normal. Latch the power. Okay, and now we want to go with a macro. Let's go with transparent bridge. 1. Yes. Oops. Okay, and we will try to power up this device. Plug in the power. Something strange with the encoding and some really funny characters. Oh right, I think I forget. Yeah, I need to put the ground. That's what I'm missing. Yes. All right. So I'm just I just hooked the one lead and then just checking the ohms for continuity and see whether or not any of these are ground. Yeah, actually this pin looks like ground. Yeah, it's pretty low. I assume that this is actually ground. Okay, we'll hop back on to the computer and see what it looks like. Okay, let's power up the device and see its output. Some of these errors are because I didn't plug back in the like the battery charger, and so I think that some of the I2C devices are not showing up, so it's registering as failing. But it still can't seem to get it to boot, and I tried putting, at least flashing back this file system on, and it seems to not take up the updates once I restart. I mean, it looks like everything gets copied, and but once I restart, it seems like the file system resets to the same state. So let me show you that in a bit. So here I'll try to flash it directly through the USB, which seems to be slower than using the network interface. However, we'll see what happens. So it after the flash, it still does not boot, and I suspect what's happening is I went through the flash instructions, and it actually, asked to upload the flash onto a SD card and then pop it into this device and update it through the menu system. And what it seems to be the case is if you don't go through there may be some authentication process or something, or some process that, because I think what they're trying to prevent is people modifying the firmware, like for the other versions, or at least the other cameras, through that updating software on the PC. And so it would explain why it would revert every time I restart and none of the flash content is being retained. And so I think I need to investigate more. So if you folks happen to have more insight into this, feel free to let me know. That'd be excellent. Thanks. So what we'll do now is plug in our JTAG device into these header pins, and we'll see what's gonna happen. Yeah, it seems like it does detect like the device chain on the JTAGs. However, so I could tell that it's a IMX515 from Freescale or NXP or whatever it is, and then I can't seem to get it to recognize it because it doesn't. Identification doesn't seem to match. It thinks it's none.